What's up everyone, Alan Morrow here and welcome to this video. So today I'm going to show you a way in which you can add a little bit of extra movement to your melody or any other sort of sounds that you want, but I'm going to use a melody for this example today. So before we get into the video, if you'd like to hit that subscribe and notification bell, plenty of videos like this coming every sort of like week to 10 days, something like that. So if you do like sort of tips and stuff for your trance productions, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you are looking for more in-depth tutorials, then be sure to head over to alanmorrowstudios.com, where there's plenty of in-depth tutorials, production courses, sound banks, samples, and all those sorts of things. I will be giving away a start to finish course when the channel hits 3,000 subscribers. So again, just another incentive to hit that subscribe and notification bell. Okay, so let's get into the video. So what I've got here is just a piece of MIDI to a pad, sub pad, and a melody. It just needs to be basic for this demonstration. And what we're going to do is we're going to basically ride the automation in accordance to what's happening with the melody. So as the melody's playing, I'll basically show you in a second, but as the melody's sort of playing, we're going to ride one of the one parameter from the automation. Now you can use anything you want in here. It could be release times, it could be resonance, anything like that. I'm going to use the cutoff for the purpose of this, but it's all about just giving that extra bit of movement to the melody. So let's just hit record. So what you can kind of see here I've done, and you might have to do a couple of takes to sort of get it right in time, but the melody, the automation is kind of following the way the melody goes up and down, and sort of following it, and it just sort of gives it that nice sort of bit of movement. Now, you don't have to go up with it. You could be going down at certain parts, but I just wanted to show you this kind of demonstration to sort of follow exactly what's kind of going on there. And as I say, yeah, you could do this with more than the one channel. You might have a couple of channels playing. You could have 3 or 4 different channels playing, and you're doing it on just the one, just to add that little bit of movement there within the sound. But I just thought it was a really sort of nice idea to sort of, instead of, you know, automation just going straight up, you can do this, and this can be done in your breakdowns, your drops, wherever you kind of want, you know, just experimenting with it, and see what you get out of it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. As I say, hit that subscribe and notification bell, and if you haven't yet done so, head over to alanmorrowstudios.com to join the AM Studios production community. It's totally free, and you get exclusive tips and tricks like this sent directly to your inbox, as well as discounts and stuff for the tutorials on the website. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.